Fast breaking news in the Anna Nicole Smith drug case. A jury has just found her boyfriend and her psychiatrist guilty of conspiring to feed her drug addiction. Howard K. Stern and Dr. Christina Rosevich were convicted of conspiracy to provide drugs to a known addict and using false names to get drugs. Anna Nicole's other doctor, Dr. Sandeep Kapoor, acquitted on all charges. I don't really know that this is a slap on the wrist, Debra Opri.
One conviction for a felony is the same as 10. Once you're convicted, you're facing jail time. Frankly, Howard K. Stern may have a state bar issue as well. If there are any moral turpitude
because he's a lawyer.
elements to... Yes, and if there are any moral turpitude elements to the conviction, the crimes, he may have automatic disbarment, and after 5 years, he would have to take the bar again and resubmit, reapply. But that is the least of his problems right now. He's facing jail time, and I don't anticipate that this could get knocked down to a misdemeanor. I do anticipate that there are going to be motions for a directed verdict that they can't have convicted them on this because
all right, let's keep it in plain English because a lot of people don't know what that means. But basically, you think he's going to go to jail, yes or no?
I think he may be facing some jail time if the judge keeps the felony conviction a year.
Have to wonder how much control Anna Nicole had over her own behavior. This is the famous video. We got to play it. This is the crux of the issue right here.
She thinks she had.
I didn't.
Is this a mushroom trip?
Huh?
Is this a mushroom trip?
Huh?
Is this a mushroom trip?
What do you mean?
Let's take a look at those photos one more time. And I'll get back to you, Alan. I know you have another point to make. But Debra Opri, those photos, do you think they had an impact? Possibly, maybe? The bathtub photos on the jury?
Jane, in any trial, it is the visual. And anything that was visual made an impact. What we really need to understand here, and Carlos, I disagree with you. I don't think this was a slap on the wrist. I think this is going to be the beginning of a mirror reflection, a microscope on the doctors writing prescriptions. I think Michael Jackson's case that's coming up is going to be looked at very closely. I don't really appreciate the comments that the judge may have or may not have made in the courtroom. That may have some sort of infliction upon the jury verdicts. But in the end, the jury took their time and they weighed the evidence, and justice was served as best it could be served with the evidence.
All right, well, when sentencing comes up,
we'll have to see on January 6th. January 6th is where we're going to find out. That's when the sentencing is.
Got to leave it right there.
The
Fantastic
judge's action.
panel. Thank you so much.